Good morning, my dear students. Before starting the lesson, let me introducing myself. I am Anvesh. I am your new science teacher. So this year I will be teaching you science. Okay? My dear students, you can watch this video while sitting in a quiet place. Otherwise, you will not understand what I am saying. Okay, students? Right. All of you open your science textbook. Page number 144. Okay, my dear students? So today we are discussing about the lesson is first lesson, plants increasing the numbers. Okay, plants increasing the numbers. First lesson, plants increasing the numbers. Okay, this is our first lesson, plants increasing the numbers. So this is the first part of the video, my dear students. This video cover up three topics. This video cover up three topics only. So first topic is why plants are important for us, and the second topic is new plants from seeds, and the third topic is a seed and its parts. Okay, so these three topics today we are discussing. So first topic is what? Why plants are important for us. Okay, this is our first topic. And the second topic is what? New plants from seeds. New plants from seeds. This is our second topic. And the third topic is a seed and its parts. A seed and its parts. Today we are discussing these three topics, my dear students. Okay. Now going to first topic. So first topic is what? Why plants are important for us. Why plants are important for us. Okay. So my dear students, plants supply us food, cereals, vegetables, pulses and fruits. Okay. So plants supply us, or plants give us. Plants give us first food. Okay, so plants give us food, and next cereals. Okay, and next vegetables. Okay, and next pulses and fruits. So plants give us food, cereals, vegetables, and next pulses and fruits. So these are comes from plants. Okay, so these are comes from plants. Other than that, sugar and oil also. Okay, sugar and oil also obtained from plants. Other than that, sugar and oil also. Obtained from plants. Okay, so sugar and oil also obtained from plants. Okay, and next, plants provide us wood, okay, and fiber, rubber, gum, and tea, coffee. Okay, so here plants provide us wood and fiber and rubber, and next gum, tea, and coffee. So these are provide as plants: wood, fiber, rubber, gum, tea, and coffee provide as plants. So here wood is used for making furnitures. Okay, students, wood is used for making furnitures. And next, fiber. So fiber is used for making threads. Okay, threads. And next, rubber is used for making rubber bands. And some plants gum used only manufacturing cosmetics. Some plants gum used only manufacturing cosmetics. Okay, so and plants provide us tea and coffee also. So plants provide us tea and coffee also. Okay, so next, plants supply us oxygen. Plants supply us oxygen, my dear students. Plants supply us oxygen. So here, my dear students, oxygen is released by plants. Oxygen is released by plants. Is observed by humans and animals. Okay, here, my dear students, so plants supply us oxygen. Okay, so which is supply of oxygen? Plants supply us oxygen. So this oxygen we are breathe, and animals also breathe. Okay, so next, plants help bind the soil. Okay, plant help to bind the soil. Plants help to bind the soil. Okay, so here plants help to bind the soil. So my dear students, planting trees increases forest wealth. Okay, planting trees increases forest wealth. It makes surrounding cool and fresh. It makes surrounding cool and fresh. So then result is what? Most of the rains comes from growing trees. Okay, my dear students, most of the rains comes from growing trees. Okay, and next, life on the earth cannot exist without plants? Say yes or no, students? Life on the earth cannot exist without plants. Okay? So my dear students, we need to grow more and more plants. We need to grow more and more plants. So since we depend on them, we depend on plants. Okay? So this is our first topic, my dear students. So first topic is what? Why plants are important for us. So plants give us food and also oil and sugar. Then next, plants provide us wood, fiber, rubber, gum, tea and coffee. Plants supply us oxygen also, and plants help to bind the soil. Okay, so this is our first topic. Next, second topic. Second topic is what? New plants from seeds. Second topic is new plants from seeds. Okay, this is our second topic. New plants from seeds. Okay, so here one question is there, my dear students. So question is what? Why does a plant produce so many seeds? Why does a plant? Question is, why does a plant produce so many seeds? Okay, why does a plant produce so many seeds, students? Why does a plant produce so many seeds? Because most of the new plants grow from seeds. Most of the new plants grows from seeds. Okay, answer is what? Most of the new plants grow from seeds. Okay, most of the new plants grow from seeds. Okay, now next, second question also is there, my dear students, in your textbook. Second question is what? All the seeds grow into new plants. All the seeds grow into new plants. Tell me, my dear students, all the seeds grow into new plants? No. All the seeds do not grow into new plants. Okay, my dear students? All the plants do not grow into new plants. Because some plant seeds not fully grown. Some plant seeds not fully grown. And next, some plant seeds separated from their parent plant. Some plant seeds separated from their parent plant. Okay, and some plant seeds destroyed by strong winds and heavy rains. బాగా గాలులు పెట్టినప్పుడు, బాగా వర్షాలు పడ్డప్పుడు కొన్ని ప్లాంట్స్ యొక్క సీడ్స్ అనేటువంటివి ఒక ప్లేస్లో నుంచి ఇంకో ప్లేస్లోకి కొట్టుకుపోవడం జరుగుతుంది. ఓకే, అండ్ సమ్ ప్లాంట్ సీడ్స్ eaten by insects అండ్ అదర్ యానిమల్స్. ఓకే, కొన్ని ప్లాంట్స్ యొక్క సీడ్స్ ఏమైతాయంటే కొన్ని ఇన్సెక్ట్స్ తినడం వల్ల, తర్వాత కొన్ని యానిమల్స్ తినడం వల్ల అవి గ్రో అయ్యే అవకాశం లేదు. ఓకేనా మై డియర్ స్టూడెంట్స్? అండ్ నెక్స్ట్ some seeds, some plant seeds do not get the right soil. Do not get the right soil and enough air and water also. ఓకేనా, కొన్నిటికి అనుకూలమైనటువంటి సాయిల్ లేకపోవడం వల్ల, లేదంటే దానికి అనుకూలమైనటువంటి వాటర్ లేకపోవడం వల్ల, అనుకూలమైనటువంటి ఎయిర్ లేకపోవడం వల్ల ఏమైతే అంటే అట్లా కూడా గ్రో అయ్యే అవకాశం లేవు. సో కాబట్టి such seeds do not grow into new plants. Okay my dear students, such seeds do not grow into new plants. Okay, so for example here my dear students, for example papaya. You know papaya? Yes, very good. So papaya has so many seeds. Papaya has so many seeds, but each seed cannot grow into new plant. But each seed do not grow into new plant. Okay, so why seeds do not grow into new plant? Since they do not have favorable conditions. ఓకే, వాటికి అనుకూలమైనటువంటి కండిషన్స్ లేకపోతే ఆ సీడ్ అనేటువంటిది గ్రో అయ్యే అవకాశం లేదు. సో సీడ్స్ దట్ సర్వైవ్ అండ్ గెట్ ఫేవరబుల్ కండిషన్స్ ఫర్ ద గ్రోత్. అది గ్రో కావాలి అంటే దానికి ఫేవరబుల్ కండిషన్స్ ఉండాలి, అనుకూలమైనటువంటి కండిషన్స్ ఉండాలా, ఎయిర్ ఉండాలా, వాటర్ ఉండాలా, కరెక్ట్ సాయిల్ ఉండాలా. ఓకేనా, ఇట్లాంటివి ఉన్నప్పుడు మాత్రమే ఆ సీడ్ అనేటువంటిది గ్రో అయ్యే అవకాశం ఉంటుంది. ఓకేనా, సో దిస్ ఈజ్ అవర్ సెకండ్ టాపిక్ స్టూడెంట్స్, ద మోస్ట్ ఇంపార్టెంట్ టాపిక్ ఇన్ దిస్ సెకండ్ వన్. ఆల్ ద సీడ్స్ గ్రో ఇంటూ న్యూ ప్లాంట్స్? నో, ఆల్ ద సీడ్స్ డు నాట్ గ్రో ఇంటూ న్యూ ప్లాంట్స్. నెక్స్ట్, వాట్ ఈజ్ అవర్ థర్డ్ టాపిక్ మై డియర్ స్టూడెంట్స్? Very good. A seed and its parts. Our third topic is a seed and its parts. A seed and its parts. So it is very important topic my dear students. Listen carefully. Okay, so here seeds can be classified into two types. Seeds, so seeds can be classified into can be divided into two types. One is monocot seeds. Monocot seeds, and the second one is dicot seeds. Dicot seeds. Okay, there are two types of seeds are there. One is monocot seeds and second one is dicot seeds. One is monocot seeds and the second one is dicot seeds. So my dear students, here mono means one. Mono means what? One or single. Mono means one or single. Next, cot means cotyledon. Cot means cotyledon. Cotyledon means seed leaf. Seed leaf. Seed leaf is nothing but cotyledon. Seed leaf is nothing but cotyledon. Okay. And next die. Die means two. Die means two. Cart means cartiladons. Okay, here cart means cartiladan. Here two cartiladons. Two seed leaves are there, but cartiladan. This is the cartiladan. Mono means single. Cart means cartiladan. Cartiladan short form is what? Cart. Cartiladan short form is cart. That means seed leaf. So here die means two. Cart means short form of the cartiladan is cart. So cart means cartiladan. So dicartiladan means two seed leaves. Okay. Monocot seed means it has one seed leaf. It has only one seed leaf. It has one seed leaf, or it has only one seed leaf. Okay. So for example of monocot seeds, wheat. Okay. And next maize. And rice. Okay. So these are the examples of monocot seeds. Monocot seed means it has only one seed leaf. Example: wheat, maize, and rice. Okay. So next, dicot seeds means die means two. It has two seed leaves. It has two seed leaves. That means it has two cotyledons. That means it has two seed leaves. For example of dicot seeds. For examples of dicot seeds, gram seeds. Okay. And next peas and beans. Okay. So these are the examples of dicot seeds. These are the examples of dicot seeds. Okay. Okay. Next, my dear students, I will show you seed and its parts. Okay. So here observe the two seeds are there. So this seed name is maize seed. Okay. This is the maize seed, and the seed name is gram seed. This is the gram seed, maize seed and gram seed. So here observe the diagram carefully, my dear students. So here seed outer surface is seed coat is there. Seed outer surface, seed coat is there. This is the seed coat. Okay. This is the seed coat. Seed coat means the outer covering of a seed. The outer covering of a seed is called the seed coat. Okay. The outer covering of a seed is called seed coat. And next, here seed leaf is there. Okay, this total part is the seed leaf. This is the seed leaf. Only one seed leaf is there, or single seed leaf is there, or single cotyledon is there, or single one cotyledon is there. Okay, so it has monocot seed. And next here middle part is baby plant. Okay, baby plant. In this place the baby plant will be grow. Okay, and next the bottom side tiny root is there. The bottom side seed, the bottom side is tiny root is there. Okay, so this is the maize seed parts. One is the seed coat. The outer covering of a seed is called seed coat. The maize seed have only one seed leaf is there, or one cotyledon is there, and middle part is the baby plant, and bottom side of the seed is a tiny root is grown. Okay, and next observe the gram seed. Observe the gram seed. So the diagram is most important. Gram seed. Okay, this is the important diagram, gram seed. Here observe, in this gram seed also have seed coat is there. So this is the seed coat. This is the seed coat. Seed coat means what? The outer covering of a seed is called seed coat. The outer covering of a seed is called seed coat. So gram seed also have seed coat. Okay, and upper side of the seed have tiny shoot is there. Tiny shoot. Okay, so this is the tiny shoot, and bottom side of the seed is tiny root is grow. Okay, the bottom side tiny root is grow. Okay, seed coat, tiny shoot, and a tiny root is there. And the most important part on the gram seed is cotyledons. There are two cotyledons are there. Cotyledons means two seed leaves. Two seed leaves are there. Here maize seed have only one seed leaf. Okay, this is only one seed leaf. And gram seed have two seed leaves. Okay, gram seed have two seed leaves. So this is the parts of seeds. Okay, I think that enough for today, my dear students. So next part of the video cover up next 3 more topics. Okay, so my dear students, take care of plants. Okay, bye.